everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making sesame seared ahi tuna. This is one that a lot of people are scared to tackle, but it's actually really easy to make, and it's delicious. Let's take a look at what we need, alright? To make sesame seared ahi tuna, you're going to need an ahi tuna steak. I like one between 200 and 250 grams. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon, that's 15 milliliters, of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon, that's 5 milliliters each, of honey and wasabi paste. We're also going to use 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. I'm using 1 tablespoon of white and 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds. And lastly, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of peanut oil. The most important thing is making sure you have a high quality tuna steak. Because this is going to be seared, not cooked through, you need it to be high grade. Cheap tuna is not acceptable in this recipe. We're going to start by marinating the tuna steak in a plastic bag. This is the plastic bag that this steak came in, but you can use a resealable sandwich bag if you don't have a small plastic bag like this. I'm just going to prop it open for the marinade. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. And add 1 teaspoon of wasabi paste. Make sure that your bag is pretty neatly closed. And mix all of the ingredients of the marinade together. I'm just doing it manually by hand, but you can use a spoon if you like. Add your tuna steak to the bag. Try and remove as much air as you can without removing any of the marinade. And make sure the marinade is reaching as much of the tuna steak as possible. You want to let the tuna steak marinate for at least 30 minutes. I'll see you when it's done. Alright, the tuna steak is almost finished marinating, so we're going to prepare the frying pan for it. Add your peanut oil to a frying pan. And turn the heat up to medium-high. It will take the oil about 8 to 10 minutes to heat up properly. You want it very hot, but not so hot that you're going to burn the sesame seeds. Add your 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds to a dinner plate. If you are using 2 different colors of sesame seeds like I am, try and blend them together and spread them out evenly over the plate. After your tuna steak has finished marinating, roll it in the sesame seeds so that it is covered. And sear it in your hot peanut oil frying pan for 30 seconds per side, including the edges. Turn the heat off. And slice the tuna steak. Not too thin. Contrary to conventional wisdom, this fish should be served still pink in the middle. It's seared, not cooked through, and that's why, as I mentioned at the beginning, the quality of the tuna is paramount. Today I'm serving my sesame seared ahi tuna with roasted cauliflower and a romaine heart with Bubba's creamy garlic dressing. And there you have it, sesame seared ahi tuna. Many people are scared to try this one because it's not cooked through, but it's actually really easy and I find it really, really tasty. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy for my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.